Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the best side hustles that you can do right now, and that is none other than recruitment. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Preston. I'm a professional recruiter and also a professional recruitment agency owner. Been doing so for over a decade. I started my career in 2014 at an award-winning recruitment firm, worked my way up to become one of the top producers out of 300, billing $500,000 a year, over $100,000 per month, and now completely changed my life when I decided to bet on myself and started as a solo recruiter in 2015. And now scaling our agency and made over seven figures just on my desk alone, $500,000 minimum net every single year on my own desk, crushed $100,000 multiple times, so on and so forth. And now excited and happy to talk about an industry that literally changed my life. So if you're checking this out for the first time, stay seated and wait till the end, because this is a video that I hope would excite a lot of you guys to start a side hustle if that's what you're looking to do right now. So one of the reasons, and the first main reason why I think recruitment makes such a great side hustle, is that it's honestly a best kept secret. Globally, the recruitment staffing industry is massive. It's going to become a $1 trillion industry with a T, guys. Yet most people go through their entire lives never knowing what recruiters actually do, what recruitment actually is, unless most likely a recruiter reaches out to you to pitch you a job with one of their clients. We are literally in every sector, every industry on the planet, and as long as companies around the world are still hiring, which they are, recruitment will always be a huge pain point, and demand will be consistent and increasingly so as more and more business start and scale each year around the world. So the market is real, the demand is real, and the fact that you can work around this wherever you are in the world, four corners of the planet, every single sector, every single market, not to mention the industry is growing, makes it extremely an exciting business opportunity. Again, you can start this side hustle, you can start this business any market around the world, and so it doesn't matter if you're looking to do something part-time, full-time, a small side hustle, a passion project. Recruitment honestly can fill in the gaps in all of those use cases. The second reason why recruitment makes such a good side hustle is that the ROI is insane. We're talking the ratio between the effort that you put in and what you get out is literally insane. Compared to other businesses, compared to other side hustles out there, if you do one placement, this is on the direct placement side, in recruitment, you're looking at $20,000 to $40,000 US dollars minimum, right? Most industries, what do you have to do to be able to net $20,000 to $40,000, a solid five figures, right? And the crazy thing is, I'm just being conservative here. I'm all about under promising, over delivering. In most industries and other roles, especially ones that are more mid, senior, and higher, you're probably looking at something closer to $40,000 to $70,000 per placement. If you are solo, meaning if you are by yourself and you have a job and you're deciding to kind of start a side hustle by yourself, you're still looking at 98, 99% profit margins. If you have a small team as a side hustle, then you're still looking at 95% profit margins. Show me another business out there where you can be making $20,000 to $40,000 and you can be almost putting in $20,000 to $40,000 cash in your pocket. I'm not talking about silly 10% or 20% profit margins like e-commerce or other businesses. In recruitment, especially if you start by yourself, either part-time or full-time, we're talking like 95, 97, 98% profit margins and beyond. And that's only one placement, 20 to 40K. What happens if, like, let's say you have a full-time job and you start a recruitment side hustle? What happens if you do two placements? You're looking at minimum 40 to 50K to 70 to 80K in your pocket. What happens if you do three placements in a 1 year time span? You're looking at maybe on the low end 60K to maybe like over six figures. It could essentially be 100,000, 150, even higher than that, right? The sky honestly is the limit for recruitment. And that's the reason why I love this, because yes, whatever side hustle you do, you have to work hard, but like, let's not leave money on the table. And if you're going to make it happen, I want you to have and take home, most importantly, as much money as possible. I'm not talking revenue. I'm not talking gross, which a lot of side hustles and businesses like to shout it from the mountaintops. I'm talking about net profit, which is the number one most important number that you have to be focusing on right now. The third example why I think recruitment makes such a great side hustle is that it's really flexible. So you have the control on how many clients you want at a given time, and you can go as high as you want, you can go as low as you want, right? If you want to work with one client at a time, you can do that. If you want to scale up to 5, 10 clients at a time, you can do that too, right? If you want to go super fast, you can go slow, you can go fast. It's really like a faucet. You can control how much water and the intensity of water that comes out, connected to your intended and accepted and embraced lifestyle at that point in time. And if you're like, hey, I just feel like working working a little bit. I just want one client. You can do that with recruitment. Or maybe you wake up, you're like, you know what? I want to make more money. I want to work with more clients. I want to be busier. You can do that too. You can also have complete control over your financial destiny. You can make as much as you want, and you can make as little as you want. But when it comes to as little as you want, one placement again is still a full-time salary. Like we talked about in the previous slide, we're talking $20,000 to $40,000. Or if you're like, you know what? I want to just crank it up and make as much as you can, you absolutely can do that, right? And a lot of people who come into our program, people who are crushing these big numbers, the crazy thing is a lot of people are doing this part-time. A lot of people assume, rightfully so, that you can really only do this when you work full-time, but it's never been easier to come into recruitment because of the technology. So it doesn't matter if you have 1 hour to spare, 2 hours, or 3 hours on the side. Because of technology, it allows you to be able to do a full-time cadence and speed and intensity at a fraction of that in terms of time, right? That's why we have people who are doing 1 or 2 hours a day to be able to crush 1 to 3 placements a month, because recruitment allows that. But also now it's easier than ever if you're looking at this at 2025 and beyond because of the technology, automations, and AI out there. Real quick, if you ever thought about starting your own recruitment agency or you're a recruiter struggling to land clients, you'll want to check out our coaching and implementation program. Inside, I give you the exact scripts, the outreach templates, and acquisition systems I used to hit over $500,000 my first year, scale to over $100,000 months, and do over $5 million in placements on my own desk. Our students are already hitting $30,000, $50,000, even $80,000 per month or more. Many of them doing it part-time. So if you want to learn the same playbook, the link's below. It's exactly what I use. Now back to the video. The beautiful thing also about flexibility is that you can do recruitment anywhere around the world. As long as you have a phone, computer, connection to the internet, doesn't matter if you are in a van driving around on the highway, as long as you have connection to an internet, right? Doesn't matter if you're in a cafe, doesn't matter if you're in Bali or Philippines or UK or America, you can do this business. And that's one of the biggest draws, how I got into this and why I decided to start one for myself, is because in the early days, I used to love to travel. It was truly like the perfect, most authentic digital nomadic lifestyle where all I needed was a phone, a computer, and internet, and I could just be absolutely crushing multiple 6 figures a year. My first year, I did about 23 placements, which was around $524,000. And again, that's like a 99% profit margins, because at that time, I had no money. All I could literally afford was Google Sheets, Google Docs, which is free, and LinkedIn. That was my only expense. You also don't need a network. You don't need a database to start at all. People think that to be a good recruiter, to run a successful recruitment agency, you have to just know a million people. You have to have a database. You have to have pre-existing relationships. That is completely false. In recruitment, as a side hustle or a business, we teach you how to go out there to a cold market to get clients, to a cold market to get candidates. You put them together and you do placements. Last but not least, as I talked about and alluded to a little bit earlier, technology is our friend, guys. AI is not here to replace recruiters. It's here to help us not get stuck in the mundane and burning out every single day, doing like the menial researching and personalizing and organizing tasks. AI and automation allows you to completely outsource that, so you can completely send emails and messages to clients and candidates at a scale that's impossible for you to do part-time. And all you have to focus on is get the leads, close them, and find candidates, and boom, it's easier than ever to get started, right? Because if you were to do this yourself without technology, you'd have to do both the client side and candidate side, really managing a full desk, which could get really overwhelming. But imagine if you can just let technology do the heavy lifting for one side. And so whatever limited time that you have, you can focus on actually just the candidate side and fulfillment, keeping it so much simpler. You just eliminate difficulty by half, allowing you to start and ramp up a lot faster. The fourth reason why I think recruitment is such a good side hustle is that you're honestly learning a real skill. You can pivot into recruitment as a career if you wanted to, even after starting a business or a side hustle, right? You would also be able to know exactly how to find and engage the best talent for passion projects or your future businesses that you choose. But most importantly, you are learning a skill that can give value to any business on the planet. So whether or not you want to continue recruitment as a side hustle or business, maybe you want to pivot to a job, that skill that you're learning is so desirable and will always be in so much demand for any single company anywhere in the planet. As long as the company is hiring, that is what recruitment is. That is the clearest definition of recruitment. And you're able to go there, provide value, help them. You can even monetize it in a different way, thought leadership, strategic leadership, consulting, etc. You name it. All that is possible because you learned a brand new skill that is one of the most important skills any founder, operator, job seeker needs to know, or a future entrepreneur needs to know. Lastly, you'll also have the chance in the directly to network and create relationships with some of the best business founders, executives, operators, and top talent. Some of my best friends and relationships started as a candidate, started as a client. And it's so cool that like the people that you do business with can also become not only continued future business partners, but also friends, and new relationships can get started. And they can introduce you to other relationships and other people that can help not only you progress with your business, maybe future candidates, future clients, but also maybe new friends, new partners, who knows, right? All of that's possible because we get to sell the coolest thing in the world, which is talent. Recruiters sell talent, and through that, we have the luxury to be able to interface with some of the most talented and smartest people in the industry at any given time, both talent side and the entrepreneur client side as well, and the executive side. So I think like that's something that's not really talked about a lot, but it's one of the reasons why I still remain as a recruiter, because my Rolodex has become so big with so many amazing executives, managers, directors, VPs, and founders. Same thing with candidates, where it's like it just provides so much fulfillment and excitement in life and just creates so many amazing opportunities you would just otherwise not even be able to think of right now, right? Last but not least, guys, coming to the final slide, the reason why I love recruitment as a side hustle is that it's also extremely affordable. You can get a business up and running, a side hustle, recruitment side hustle up and running, honestly, with less money than you think. When I started, I did it full time, but if I were to go back again, I can do it part time. But people that we're also working with actively through our program right now, a lot of them are doing this part time. And for the full system, with all the bells and whistles, the campaigns, personalization, there's honestly no reason for you to spend more than $200 to $400 a month max. And you can absolutely do it with a lot less. Like when I started, I just had enough money on my fiance's credit card for LinkedIn and Google Docs and Sheet. That's it. And that's all I needed. And I was able to make millions of dollars from that, right? And so we have a lot of people in our program. I also know a lot of other solo recruiters who started with a lot less, and that's okay. As long as you understand how to do things fundamentally, you learn how to do things manually correctly, you can absolutely like still make money, get your business up and running as fast as possible. You don't need to waste it all on all these ridiculous, softwares out there. You don't need to think or feel like you have to spend thousands of dollars on apps and softwares if you don't have it. Start small, learn the fundamentals, and you can always automate as you go with the aspiration to automate fully, really create that system to do all that work for you as the North Star goal long term. But if you have all the money in the world, the finance really is no object for you. Again, it's so affordable. There's no reason for you to spend more than $200 to $400 a month max. And the way that I like to picture it and I teach it is that recruitment, like any business, is like an onion. So level one, you want to stick with the simplest, most bare bones tech stack. And then as you do placements, you have more profits to reinvest, or if you have more cash, you can then always go to level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and add more to your tech stack. But I'm still a huge believer that you do not need a lot to make a lot in recruitment. You just need to know what are the main tools you need to have right now that absolutely work, that I'm confident with, and just learn those really, really well. Combine that with the fundamentals, and you are golden, whether you're doing this as a side hustle or full time. And another beautiful thing about this is, like I talked about before, you don't need an office. You don't need to hire people. You don't even need to buy a business or even spend $50,000 or $80,000 on a franchise. This business, conceptually simple, which is the only downside is a lot of people think they can do this without proper training, and you can muscle your way through it. You can muscle your way, do a couple placements, but you can also end up doing things that are really, really wrong, inefficient, or burning bridges. If you have a strong grasp of the fundamentals, you have a strong grasp of the right technology, you can start this business super affordably. You can ramp up to results as quicker than you actually think, right? And the cool thing is all of this can happen part-time as well. It's not me saying this as a hypothesis or a theory. We already have people in our network, in our lives, in our program right now that are showing us on a day-to-day basis that you can do this. You can get this business up and running. You can crush multiple deals part-time, even as a side hustle. So if you're thinking about a new side hustle and you are fascinated with recruitment, you came to the right place. Let me know if you have additional questions. If you started other side hustles, we'd love to hear what you've done, and would love to kind of hear your perspective as well. I hope that this video gave you value. I hope it was entertaining, and we'll see you guys on the next one.